Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, today is a quiz session. So let's start. Which prophet had controlled the jinns and was able to talk with the animals?
Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam.
What is the name of Prophet Musa alayhi salam, brother?
Harun ibn Imran.
What is Tuba?
Tuba is a tree of Jannah.
In the Quran, which surah has two sajda tilawa?
Surah Al-Hajj.
In the Quran, mankind divided into two groups. Which are those groups?
Believers and the disbelievers.
Relative of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whose name mentioned in the Quran?
Abu Lahab. Surah Al-Masad, Juz 30. This surah has 5 ayat. Allah has mentioned the punishment what Abu Lahab and his wife will get in hell.
In the Quran, which prophet has been called by his mother name?
Prophet Isa alayhi salam, Isa ibn Maryam.
Where is Masjid Al-Aqsa mentioned in the Quran?
Surah Isra, ayat number 1, also known as Surah Bani Israel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanalladhi asra bi'abdihi laylan minal masjidil harami ilal masjidil aqsa alladhi barakna hawlahu liyuriyahu min ayatina innahu huwas sami'ul basir.
In which surah Allah mentioned the story of 7 people in cave?
Surah Kahf.
What is the meaning of Ankabut in Surah Ankabut?
The spider.
What is the other name of Surah Fussilat?
Surah Hamim Sajda.
Which surah known as door of the Quran?
Surah Al-Fatiha.
Which surah in the Quran has 2 Bismillah?
Surah An-Naml. First Bismillah, the surah starts, and the second Bismillah in the ayat 30. Innahu min Sulaiman wa innahu bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Which surah has no Bismillah in its starting?
Surah At-Tawbah.
What is the most significant quality of a Muslim to get success in the world and Akhirah?
The beautiful character.
A way of life, a way of life, a way of life, a way of life. Islam.